Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This is easily the boldest and most unconventional device in Honor's digital lineup, and honestly, the one that brings the biggest leap forward. The Honor 500 series has officially arrived. This time, Honor is rolling out an all-new generation of the 500 family, pushing past the usual limits of its price range in design, camera performance, raw power, and battery life. With the Super Standard and Super Pro models, you're getting a true dual super experience. And stick around until the end because I'll also tell you where you can buy this phone in the UK and the US. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. We got our hands on the black Honor 500 Pro, and right away, its design, specs, and AI features completely reshaped the impression I used to have about the digital series. That's exactly why I'm calling it the most untraditional entry the series has ever had. The Honor 500 Pro introduces a fully refreshed look. The camera module switches from a vertical to a horizontal layout, which not only avoids blocking the screen when you're holding the phone upright, but also feels smoother and more natural when you're using it in landscape mode. This new design strikes a great balance between being incredibly slim and still delivering impressive battery life. Honor is also using the same integrated cold stamping process seen on the iPhone. With high-precision CNC carving, a 2.5mm flat glass panel is sculpted into a seamless back cover, includes the camera housing and those subtle curves. The frame and back glass merge together in one continuous flow, giving the phone a clean, refined appearance and a warm, comfortable in-hand feel. Moving to the display, the Honor 500 series is equipped with a 1.5K ultra-high resolution Oasis Eye protection screen. Paired with Honor's AI Super Visual Engine, it delivers ultra-dynamic visuals and AI-calibrated true-to-life colors, striking the perfect balance between eye comfort and premium picture quality. The entire series supports AI HDR, bringing ultra-dynamic range to videos, even if you're watching standard 720p, 1080p, or higher resolution SDR clips. It makes everyday content look closer to what you see in real life. And if you combine it with the Honor Clip-On Earphones 2 Pro, watching movies or listening to music becomes a whole different experience. And now we get to one of the most important parts, the camera. The Honor 500 series comes with a 200 megapixel AI ultra-light main sensor, one of the largest in its price segment at 1.4 inches. It's backed by flagship-level imaging algorithms, offering a completely refreshed portrait photography experience. From these sample shots, you can instantly see how well the 500 Pro handles portraits, landscapes, and everyday subjects. A lot of that power comes from the 2E technology co-developed by Honor and Samsung. With the AI ultralight main camera, you can capture the moment instantly, whether the subject is still or in motion, and it adapts beautifully across different lighting conditions. Of course, as amazing as cameras are, a phone still needs rock-solid communication, and Honor has that covered. The entire 500 series supports Honor TurboLink, which cuts down on network lag and boosts overall connectivity smoothness by over 50%. Every model comes equipped with the C1 Plus communication chip, using AI to intelligently identify network traffic for a more stable connection. But none of this would be complete without the massive 8,000 mAh Qinghai Lake battery. The Honor 500 series doesn't just rely on battery size. It's powered by the Smart Dujiangyan AI energy management system. This system uses a combination of dedicated hardware and advanced software algorithms to precisely monitor power usage, enhance battery safety, and intelligently manage charging and discharging for long-lasting, reliable performance. There's one more thing worth highlighting. Every model in the Honor 500 series supports 27-watt wired reverse charging with 9-volt 3-at fast reverse output. In simple terms, your phone basically turns into a high-capacity power bank. So when your friend's batteries run dry, they won't have to hunt for a charger. They can just plug straight into your Honor 500. Even though the redesigned Honor 500 Pro is more compact and visually refined, its real strength lies under the hood, especially with the introduction of the new MagicOS 10 10.0. Compared to version 9.0, this update brings a major leap in AI features, kicking off a new wave of productivity upgrades. With system-level AI interaction and the industry's first self-evolving intelligent agent, YOYO, MagicOS 10.0 offers a whole new way to balance work and everyday life. Many people believe that as AI and smartphones continue to converge, phones are gradually moving toward PC-level capabilities. That means we're getting closer to seeing the true final form of AI plus smartphone. This combination is making our devices smarter, faster, and far more capable. And this time, YOYO gets the major upgrade everyone was expecting, transforming the smart experience with leading AI performance. YOYO can precisely understand what you want and deliver the content or service instantly, breaking the boundaries between apps and usage scenarios. We tested YOYO in 3 areas: seeing, memory, and execution, to really understand how much has changed. YOYO's seeing ability uses one of the strongest AI visual engines in the industry. It can recognize real-world objects, digital content, images, and text right through the viewfinder, almost like an assistant quietly following you throughout your day. It can even interpret a question and give you the answer directly. For example, if you ask, "Which anime character is this?" YOYO will tell you it's Rimuru Tempest from That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, the blue-haired, blue-robed slime who happens to be the main character. YOYO memory can store bits of your life effortlessly through a 3-finger swipe, direct dialogue, third-party app collections, or the AI key, making it easy to capture and recall information whenever you need it. YOYO execution takes things further with one of the most advanced AI execution engines available. It understands your intentions and automatically organizes tasks for you. And that's not all. YOYO can even help you edit photos, removing random people in the background, or applying smart beautification and outfit edits. A single voice command is enough for YOYO to handle everything, removing the hassle of complicated editing tools and giving you a completely hands-free experience. On top of that, features like Honor Any Door, parallel writing, and the AI call assistant are also included. We've tested these in previous Honor reviews, so a lot of you are already familiar with what YOYO can do. But with this upgrade, it's clearly even more powerful than before. So what's your impression of the Honor 500 Pro? Has it changed the way you think about the digital series? After using it for several days, I can confidently say that this is the strongest Pro model Honor has ever delivered. The boosted AI capabilities and improved camera hardware genuinely show how far Honor has pushed its technology. And if you're thinking about getting one for yourself, the starting price of the Honor 500 Pro is 3,599 yuan in China, which is roughly 386 pounds in the UK and about $507 in the US. You can purchase it through AliExpress in both the US and UK regions. I'll add the purchase link in the description soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.